Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode sponsored by Delta.exchange. I am going to discuss about some big scam going on. This very disturbing, and many people have lost lakhs and some of them even have lost crores. So I want to caution this. I'll tell you recently what happened. And one guy contacted our office and he said, "Sir, there's one guy called Shankar, and he told me that he is having a very good strategy in stock market, and even Mr. Sundar paid 30 crore. The fact is that I don't have 30 crore with me." So this guy said, "Mr. Sundar has paid 30 crore for this strategy. So this is such a nice strategy. And for individual people, because Sundar is a very big guy, I sold it 30 crore for him. For small people, I just want to sell for 4 lakh rupees. And this guy has paid 4 lakh rupees to him. And even after 3 months, he has not given any strategy." So tell me, where is the strategy? Is there any one strategy will work in stock market? And I always say, stock market and your wife will always prove that you are wrong. No matter what strategy you do, you are going to fail. The people who attended my workshop, they all know I take a view, I take position. When things go wrong, I keep on adjusting. And I don't know how this guy can pay 4 lakh rupees. Another big scam going on. Whenever I do YouTube video or anything, Instagram or any other social media, other people, they create a fake ID, they contact people. And I'll tell you the best part of the joke. In Instagram, my original ID has less follower, and there's one fake ID using my photo as more followers. They contact people, "I am PR Sundar, I want to help you to trade in cryptos," and people pay money to him and they have been cheated. And there's one person from Chennai has paid lot of money. Then that person came to know about the truth only when that guy told that lady, "Now there is a 30% flat tax, so please transfer 30 lakh rupees to pay the tax." That's why that she came to know, how come the taxation is coming from next year only, right? How come this guy is asking? And then she got suspicious, and by the time she realized that she is wrong, and all the money is gone and could not recover. Finally, she came to know about me, and then she called me directly. She said I should file a complaint in cybercrime. But tell me, if I have to file a complaint with cybercrime, then every day I will have to file. Because once you file a complaint and they take action, they remove. But then, these people can create another ID. And then, like how these things work, So even the cybercrime also, they don't take this seriously. In fact, once I went and filed a complaint, okay, just to show you how bad is that, I'm going to show you the screenshot here. And I just went to Telegram and just type PR Sundar. See how many PR Sundars are coming. This is, my ID is PR Sundar 64. Why Sundar, PR Sundar 64? PR Sundar is my name, 64 is my year of birth. And you can see here, PR _ Sundar _ PR Sundar trade at PR Sundar 64. This is my ID, right? Then PR Sundar the Bull, PR Sundar 63, and everybody used my photo. So, once I was making a joke in YouTube, I did not think my father was such a playboy. There's so many people around this with the same face, and at least if I'm a good looking guy, it's okay, but I'm not even a good looking guy. But still, people use my photo and use a similar name, and they cheat the people. And I can tell you the amount of money that have been cheated is running into crores. And this is not only happening to me, this is happening to most of the popular YouTubers and most of the popular people. Just think, a common question, a simple question. Do you think a person like PR Sundar will message you, will tell you, "I want to help you to trade your money 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees. You think I don't have 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees?" And then if somebody come and tell you, "I sold a strategy to PR Sundar for 30 crore and I want to sell it for 4 lakh rupees, you have to ask one common question, right? When you sold it for 30 crore, how come you can sell it to other people for 4 lakh? How is it morally or ethically right? And these people can pay lakhs and lakhs of rupees. So I tell you, by looking at all these things, it's really very disturbing. So people contact you through WhatsApp, people contact you through Instagram, Twitter DM, similar. Please don't believe. Okay, I will give you my office numbers in the screen. Okay, if you get any call from these numbers, then only it is from my office, and I can tell you definitely my office people will never call you. Why should they call you? In fact, I've made a video about this already, but now why I'm making this new video? Recently, the one guy sent me a WhatsApp message. It was so disturbing. A person contacted him, spoke to him, and using my voice. The voice was clearly my voice. I don't know, possible a person's voice, if you feed into the computer, then there is some software, then you speak. I think in some movies also you must have seen. A man may be calling you, okay, but you will get a lady's voice. So there are some softwares are there. Because this guy, he see my YouTube every day, so he knows my voice. When he heard the same voice, he thought it is genuinely PR Sundar, and he paid the money and he lost it. Unless PR Sundar come to you directly face to face and ask for money, then you give. Otherwise, don't give money to anybody. Right? Even if I come and ask you also, why should you give money? Right? Is there any holy grail formula in stock market? There is no such thing. Right? So please understand, this is a big scam going on. We cannot expect the cybercrime or police to take all the action, because everybody every day, hundreds and hundreds of people. In YouTube also, we keep on blocking the people, and then they keep on opening new account. To open an account, what you need. You just don't need anything, right? So please be careful, and prevention is better than cure. So after losing money, instead of going high and low to police station or cybercrime, better to be safe. I conduct 1 full day workshop or 2 full day workshop, okay, teaching strategies, teaching adjustments, teaching firefighting, everything. And even I'm charging only 30,000-40,000 as the fees. But these people, by saying that I have a holy grail formula, you give me 4 lakh rupees, and the people are paying. So please be careful, don't pay money to anyone pretending to be PR Sundar. Even if PR Sundar come and ask you also, don't give money. That's my simple advice. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.